हाँ एक ही चलेगा। वो बोल रहा है कि फेसबुक को ही जूम में कृष्णमूर्ति ट्रांसफ़र कर रहा है। हाँ
समान करूँ
लाइव ऑन
ऑन दी है ऑन है
अच्छा 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 चढ़ दो। आया तो क्या
वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुं श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथमितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादां सहगणललिता विशाखातमिश्च भज श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Let Jai, all glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to assembled devotees. There is a questions. Dandavat Pranam to your Gurudev. Could you please tell us more about the difference between the inner and the outer energy of the Lord? Radharani is inner energy. Yogamaya also, because he is an extension of Radharani. Expansion over here. What is the real difference between the inner and the outer energy? Inner energy and outer energy. Outer means what do you say? It's Tathastha Shakti, Maya Shakti, and Antaranga. Three types of. Inner energy is Radharani, Yogamaya. Outer is Maya Shakti. Yogamaya sometimes could be also Mahamaya. Durga Devi, when she is giving us, Durga Devi expansion of Radharani, when she is giving, when we are praying her for Krishna's devotion, she is giving Krishna's devotion. At that time, she becomes Yogamaya. Yogamaya means connecting, who is giving us connection with Supreme Lord. They are called Yogamaya. That is depends on us. When we are making some material gain, and material gain for our sense gratification desire, at that time, our mind, our energy take us out of Lord. Out of Lord only Maya is there. Mahamaya is there. Maya hai andhakar, dark. Therefore, this is external energy, Maya. I think you understand that. Is it transcendental mystery? We can say that. Transcendental mystery, Yogamaya. Actually, this mystery is Rahasya. Yeah, Rahasya, everything Rahasya. Then, question by Jaya Bhakti Devi. Dear Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisance. Are the members of Srimati Radharani's in-law family coming from Goloka Vrindavan? Whatever pastimes he manifests here, also there. You have to know that. So Goloka Vrindavan difference. So the Goloka Vrindavan, actually Radharani, this is all the Jotila, Kutila, all they are. They are just showing us how much tolerance is needed to serve Krishna. Radharani kept extreme tolerance of their torture, unnecessary torture. So she kept silently, she did all the service for Krishna. This is actually this every character there, all character is there. So now, I don't think so any more question here. Sri Radha Krishna Vancha Purti Dhammi. So Radharani is the embodiment of fulfilling Krishna's desire. Krishna's Vancha Purti Mohi. Sri Radha is embodiment of fulfilling Krishna's desire. This is the meaning. Shri Mahabhav hoy Chinta Monishar Krishna Vancha Purno Kore Ei Karjota Shai Mahabhav means Radharani's embodiment. Chintamani Shah. Chintamani means actually thought-fulfilling stone. She is like a thought-fulfilling stone. Yeah? Whatever Krishna's desire, she always fulfilling. Shai Vansha Purna Kare Ei Karjota. Krishna need to manifest any pastimes. First of all, we have to know Radha coming from Krishna's left side. Left side have our heart. Radharani is heart of Krishna. Therefore, she always aware about that Krishna's what is his desire. She arranged accordingly all Krishna's desire is fulfilling. Mahabhava Chintamani Radhara Saru. Mahabhava Chintamani. Mahabhava Radharani Chintamani, like a thoughtful filling stone. They appear in the form of Mahabhava, the great Mahabhava. Mahabhava means it's not ordinary bhav. It's a great bhav, mood of service. No one can compare with the service mood. This Chintamani. Chintamani a thoughtful filling stone. This is Radha Saru. Radha form appear for that. And Lalita di Shokhitar Kayabbuhoru. Before I explain, the Radharani's expands on all the Sokhis. Therefore, Lalita di Sokhi means all Lalita, Vishakha, all the Sokhis. The Kayabbu means expansion of Radha's form. So, all they are assisting, all they are existence of Radharani or expansion of Srimati Radharani. But you have to know they are also appear, Radha also create them and expand in that form, different form, just to assist her. So therefore, we have to know that like in early morning pastimes, if you look, then you can see there is explanation. Early morning, Vrinda Sakhis sent to get up, to get them up, sent two parrot. Shukoshari Paddoshuni Uche Radha Nilamoni. Nilamani, Radharani, Nilamani is Krishna. Uthe means get up. From where? Sanket Kunj. Sanket Kunj, why? Because in the midnight, Sanket Kunj, one Sanket Grove, it is arranged by actually Srimati Radharani's order, they follow. Vrinda Sakhi follow. So she also arranged according to the fortnight, which is lunar fortnight, waning fortnight or waxing fortnight. Accordingly, Vrinda prepared Radharani's outfit And then after that, they give signal, Sanket. Then Krishna also coming from Nandagaon. In that way the meeting is happened. So early morning means 2 hours. Chaya danda means 6. 1 danda means 24 minutes. Chaya danda means 6 times 24 means 2 hours 24 minutes. Yeah, right? 2 hours 24 minutes. Yeah, 2 hours 24 minutes. So that is the that before sunrise of 2 hours 24 minutes. They can get them out. And then there is a song. Kakhak tiro robe bhito. Kakhak, there is a monkey also in Golok Vrindavan. Not only the Jotila Kutila. Monkey there, parrot there, dog also there. Dog name is, Radharani dog name is Bagro. Bagro. Such type of, everybody there. It's called Krishna's first times. So, Lalitadi, Mahabhava Chintamani Radharo Sharu. Lalitadi Sakshitar Kaya Buharu. Lalitadi Sakshitar Kaya Buharu. Kaya means body, Buho means expansion, Ru means form. Expansion of Radha's body, form. Lalita, Vishaka, Champalata, Chitra, Rangadevi, Chudevi, Tunga Vidya, Hindu Lekha, all these Sakis. So all they are just like they are in this Krishna's pastimes, only for fulfilling Krishna's desire. All Krishna's desire, they are ready to fulfill. There is also explanation. Radha's regretting. Why regretting? Because she has obstacles. Or all the guardian, like a Jotila, Kutila, Abhimanyu, they don't allow her to go for cowherding. When Krishna Balaram going for cowherding. So they don't allow. But out of one says she's regretting and lamenting this way and praying to Krishna. Oh Krishna, I like to go with you, but I have fear from guardian. Song, very nice songs composed by Narottam Thakur, Narottam Das Thakur, Mahashaya. What song? This. The song is this. He de he na garo baro Shuno he murali dharo. Bengali song. I know the meaning. I have to explain. He de he na garo baro. Nagor means town. Baro means lord of the town. Who is the lord of the town? Muralidhar, who is holding flute in his hand. Muralidhar. Please listen to that. What? Nivedan kori tua pai. This is my humble request to your lotus feet. What? যেন চরণ নখরমণি, যেন চাঁদের গাঁথনি, ভালো শোভে আমারও গলা, মানে কৃষ্ণা's nail. She has eagerness to get Krishna association, Krishna's nail like a diamond, shiny diamond. So if there is any chance, I can take your nail and put it in my neck, the diamond. Bhalo shobhe amaro gola. Gola means neck. Then I can feel your association. Then he said, Shidamo Shudamo Sange Jakhono bone jao range তখন আমি দুয়ারে দাঁড়াই। Shidam, Shudam, Dambu, Shudam. When you are going with them for cow herding, I am standing in front of the door and putting my vision as long as my vision goes. মনে করি সঙ্গে যাই. In mind I am thinking to go and be with you. গুরুজনার ভয় পাই, but my guardian Jatila means mother-in-law, Kutila, sister-in-law. I have fear for them. So many obstacles of Radharani. So still she is managing. Then what she did? She wants to go. She asking her mother-in-law, Jatila, can I go to worship sun god? Worshipping sun god. Can I go for sun god? The sun god worship? Yeah, go. But Krishna, actually she is not speaking lie. Krishna is Koti Surya Sama. Means a million sun together is Krishna. So she is going for worshipping Krishna. So she is not speaking like in that way. Krishna always need Radha. Radha, therefore she is always have eagerness. She is reaching Krishna. So Jatila, mother-in-law Jatila, allow, okay, go worship Jatila. She knows she is worshipping sun god, means who is. But actually, she is going for Krishna's satisfaction. Therefore, previously she sent one Sakhi. The Krishna, when he wanted to meet with her, exact the venue, she should bring the news. After getting permission from mother-in-law, she is eagerly waiting to get that Sakhi when she is coming here, looking there from far. When she is coming back, when she will get the news where Krishna wants to meet with me, accordingly she will go. Sometime Ter Kadam. Kokilavan. You can see nearby. Kokilavan means Kuhubad forest. Krishna is appearing. The signal is this. It's a Kuhubad form. He is Kuhu, such a Kuhubad. That signal means Krishna is nearby, the Ter Kadam. Ter means just information, notice, is appear, soon he'll appear. So Radharani prepared accordingly. So, most of the time, Radharani wanted to, Krishna wanted to meet with Radha in midday. They are in Radha Kund. To play with Radha separately. Radha, Rasa with Radha. Therefore, so Radha is like a Krishna. Radha always thinking about Krishna's service. Mahabhava Chintamani. Great bhav. Our bhav for maybe tiny second, fraction of second appear, then again goes other direction. Radha bhav 24 hours engage to serve Krishna. To serve Krishna. Lalita Sakhi, they are also, they have desired to serve Krishna, but under the guidance of Radha. Therefore, when Krishna was in Krishna was in that's actually performing, when he was in actually Kurukshetra performing fire sacrifice for solar eclipse time. When Radha came, also he also came. Always assisting Radha. Radha never left Vrindavan. Her expansion left. Like Satyabhama, Rukmini, all their expansion, they are here. Vidagdha Natakam, the drama composed by Rupa Goswami. Lalit Mata Vidagdha Madhav. When Rupa Goswami wrote Radharani in Dwaraka, then Mahaprabhu says, Rup, don't take Radha out of Vrindavan. So Radha and all Sakhis, always they are in Vrindavan. Assistance. And Krishna's mind always in Vrindavan. Why? Because Radha is there. Even Dwaraka, Rohini, they knew why all the wives of Krishna, they are serving wholeheartedly. But still, at night, Krishna is chanting Radha's name, Sakhi's name. Why? Even the lamenting, not only chanting, lamenting. Why? The reason they want to know. Therefore, they come to Rohini Devi. Rohini Devi says, I can tell you, but Krishna Balaram unable to stay. Wherever they stay, they will jump over there. And they will feel ecstasy. Because their heart is there. So you can see, where is your love? Where you get love, your heart is there. To whom you feel peaceful. And which association will make you feel peaceful, your heart always there. Therefore, our previous teacher, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, because we are following the mood of our parampara. Therefore he says, one place that the prani matra, living entities, we should not use any word which can hurt them, hurting them. So our language should be such a soft. Therefore, our parampara first teaching when Mahaprabhu established through his Siksastaka third sloka, he says there's Trinada Pishunichana, humble like a blade of grass. That nature we have to establish in order to remove that language skill. Language skill sometimes hurting people. Maybe we speak truth, but it should be sweet manner. Sridhar Goswami Maharaj most of the time he says, truth, it may be negative truth, but we should speak sweet manner. Sweet manner. Our requirement to convey the message, true message. We may say harshly, we may say also sweetly, but same message. Like one cup made with gold, one cup made with silver, one cup made with steel. Your requirement to drink water, right? There is not any kind of different taste, but three valuable cup, right? Gold cup made with gold, that is valuable, but it's too much expensive. Silver, less expensive. Steel, more or less expensive. But you need water. Taste is same. Taste are same. Similarly, we have to, even the negative truth, if you like to convey the message, we should try our best to convey the message with sweet manner. Several times I gave an example that my spiritual master used to give that example. If someone steals one valuable pen, like pen made with gold metal, everything gold, pen body, pen metal, writing pen, it is made with gold, everything gold, definitely expensive. So someone steal, to whom you trust, he steal, hidden manner, and he kept it in his pocket, and he is staying with you. Usually, if something you lost, you're always trying to find outside, right? You never think this thief with you, right? So what happened? Gurudev says, if you just searching, I kept it here, it's not there, someone should take it from here now. I kept it 10 minutes ago. But no one coming here. We are only 5-6 people here. Then he was searching there, and he find out one of his friend. Purposely he kept in his pocket the same pen. In this situation, as a Vaishnava, what we supposed to approach? Not like a harshly approach. Hey, you are thief. You are taking from here. Not like that. Our approach should be, as a Vaishnava approach should be that most probably by mistake, my pen which I am searching now, valuable pen, it is in your pocket. Is it possible for you to give me that pen? You are asking the pen. You want to get the pen, but language, such a polish of language, he is not feeling hard, but inside he will regret. And if the person have nature like this, okay, now we have to be very careful. So such type of nature, Vaishnava nature like that. So Radharani, so Lalita Sakhi, when they came to that actually Kurukshetra and explain, to Krishna this, if you have mercy for us, real mercy for us, please come with us. Leave all the opulence thing here. Remove your turban. We will make a flower crown for you. Forest flower crown for you. Remove your horse. Remove your elephant. Just come with us to Vrindavan. Anar hridaya mon, mor mon Vrindavan, mone mone ek kori mani, tahi tomar padoddaya, karaho jodi udoy, tobe tomar purna kripa mani. We will accept your absolute mercy at that time when you come with us to Vrindavan. And allow us to serve. Such type of service mood. It's not like ordinary mood. In every aspect, Radha always ready to serve Krishna. That's the matter. Who is telling what? It is negative for his life, for her life. That's the matter. Actually, it is fact. If you really have attachment, you don't care whatever people are talking about you. Like us, look at our situation. Many places when I was young, this is when I used to go for begging. I go for working, not to beg. Young. So such type of people are there. Some people have, when you become devotee and keeping emblem here, the tilak, and keeping sikha, wearing saffron. Many places people may say many things. That is tolerance. We have to keep tolerance on that. Or many places have some appreciation. Like once I was crossing the border of Kona Island. You know Kona? Hawaii Island, Kona. One lady custom officer, nice color. To see my cloth, robe, a very nice, sweet color. She told me that. How you make it? Where you get it? And I have a color, I can make it. A white color, white dhoti, I can make it, that color. So mostly I saw people are looking at us as strange. And other societies, when they look, we are chanting, they say, they are not thinking that it is one type of surrender. No, they are thinking we are like a lazy bum. Instead of doing some physical service for people, that they are taking a chanting beat and chanting. So many you can see. The Radha direct getting such type of heavy complaint, direct getting heavy complaint. She has no chastity, she is running behind that black boy. So many complaints, so and so. But see, her one goal to serve. When Krishna coming back out of from the cow herding, she also sending. From Radha Kund, she quick, she coming back, preparing sweet stuff, milk, sweet, preparing all this sweet stuff, sending through on Sakhis. She is not able to go out, Sakhis, and Sakhis offer to Krishna, and she is eagerly waiting to get the Krishna's remnants. Such type of service mode. Therefore, always Radharani thinking what Krishna, where she can render some Krishna service, how she can make Krishna happy. Radhapati Krishna Sneho Sugandhi Urdhotan Tate Sugandhi Deho Ujjala Varan. Krishna Sneho means affection. Radhapati means towards Radha. Sugandhi Urdhotan means Sugandhi means fragrance. Such a nice fragrance here fragrance means such a sweet, such a beauty. Sugandhi Urdhotan, everybody feel blissful to see. Tate Sugandhi Deho, Radha's body, Padmagandha, means lotus fragrance. Not like our body, like a sweat fragrance. Sweat, bad smell from sweat. The body, she never used perfume. Her body itself, like perfume. Ujjala Varan. Ujjala Varan means bright. Form is very white. So therefore, when you pay obeisance to Radha, what do you say? Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi. Gaurangi, Tapta Kanchana, bright body, Gaurangi. How is the bright? Tapta Kanchana, Tapta means burning gold, right? Kanchan is gold. How the beauty is it? Radhi, who is this? Radharani. And Vrindavaneshwari is Lord of Vrindavan. Female Lord of Vrindavan. Vrindavaneshwari. Who is this? Indicating Vrishabhanu, Shute Devi, Vishwabhanu Maharaja's daughter, that Devi, that form. Pranamami Hari Priye, I humbly obeisance to that dearest of Lord Hari. So such way, very nice Radha Tattva, Radha's form, Radha's all activities, Radha's smile, Radha's body is fragrant, everything very attractive. Therefore Krishna although he attractive, but Krishna feel attraction, when Krishna become attractive, when Radha become attractive for Krishna. Such service. Even you can see if someone serve you wholeheartedly, loving manner, you also want to go there. Material world, you can see, people like, even the dog, if you see, if you just kick dog out very harshly, dog doesn't know you, but he doesn't. If it's a gentle dog, they just simply leave. This is one fact, once myself, Ramdas Prabhu, KD, went to Sharanagati farm, Bhumi farm. Inside Sharanagati, Bhumi farm, KD's father farm. There is a dog, I remember the dog name is Ladu. Ladu. As soon as, when I saw dog, I just sit in the car. Others, they get down from the car. A dog is licking their body and then with tail moving fast, this in that way, symbol like he like a happy mood. I just get down and when he jump to me and says, "Hey, cut." I was there 4 days. When I saw that dog, very sweet dog, then I tried to call him. He never come to me. Never come to me. Even if I go myself close to him, make sound like this. That means in that sound, he is giving signal. He is giving signal that I don't like you. I don't like your association. Therefore, this is Radha's sweet nature. Radha's sweet form. Radha's fragrance form. Radha's bright form. It's all has sweet service attitude. Steal Krishna's heart. Radha Sangha, then Radha Divido Dharaya Snan. 3 times way Radha used to take bath. What bath? Karunamrita Dharaya Snan Pratham Karunamrita Sara. Karuna means mercy. Dhara means bestowing. San. Karuna Tarunamrita Dharaya Snan Taruna. Karunamrita Dharaya Snan Pratham. First Karuna. Makheshwari Kriyeshwari Sadheshwari Sureshwari Trivedo Bharatishwari Pramano Sasaneshwari Rameshwari Shameshwari Pramodo Kanoneshwari Brajeshwari Brajadhipe Shiradhike Namostute. So many glorifications is there. So, Tarunamrita Dhara. Taruna means Tarun, but youth. One snan, one is Tarun, all, Nitto, Nabo, Navayama. Krishna, Radha both. Radha's eternal age had been fixed, never old. What is that? 14 years, 2 months, 15 days. 14 years, 2 months, 15 days. 26 or 77 days junior than Lalita. Then Lalita's age 14 years, 3 months, 11 days. So in that way. So Tarunamrito Dhara, Tarun. Madhyam, Titya, Lavannamrita Dhara, Tadupuri Lavanna, bright. 3 types. Youth, attractive youth, Karuna, and Lavanna, bright. Bright, right? Lavanna? Effulgent. Effulgent, bright, same, right? Almost. Effulgent form, okay. Nijalajja Sam Patto Sati Paridhan Krishna Anuraga Dityo Oruno Boshan Pravolman Kanchalikaya Bhakshachhadan Sandarja Kumkum Sakhi Pranaya Chandan. Nice language, better to read, which is explained by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. If I explain, I can translate. Better to translate by their language, So the Prabhupada says, Srimati Radhikar Swarup Krishna Bhilash Purnakari Mahabhav Chintamani Lalitadi Sakhigan Tahar Kayobho Sadishya Prakash Vinnash. That I already explained. Means what I explained before, that is same just meaning. Prabhupada wrote that. Radhika Swarup, actual form of Radhika, Krishna Abhilash Purnakari, means Krishna's desire, fulfilling Krishna's desire only. That is the Swarup. And Mahabhav Chintamani, always there's a dip in that thought, how to please Krishna more and more and more. No one can compare. And Lalitadi Shokhigan Tahar Kayobho Sadisham Prakash Vinnas. Lalita, Vishaka, all the Sakhis means associate of Radharani, they are Kayobho. Kayobho means, I already explained, Kayobho means expansion of Radharani. Krishna Sneho Abata Makhia Pratham Purbanno Shaner Lilaya Purasaner Jali Karunamrit Arthat Paugondo Tikram Korea Pratham Kaishwara Karuna Visishta Navajauvan Ditya Madhyama Madhyana Saner Jal Tarunnamrita Bhakta Jauvan Tadupari Snan Aparanna Saner Jal Lavannamrita Purna Jauvan. So Prabhupada explained like this, Krishna Sneho Abata Makhya. Krishna's affection is smear on our body. Affection. This is Prabhupada's language. Makhya means smear on the body. Pratham means that sun. What I explained, Pratham sun, that Karunamrita. And here Krishna Sneho. Prabhupada said Krishna Sneho means affection of Lord Krishna. You can see when she born, when she manifest first time to born in Raval, that time she closed her eyes. She never eat anything. When she ate, when Krishna gave her his remnant, Krishna gave her his remnant. That time she ate. For 3 days, there is a song written by Narottam Thakur. This Kirti Devi says, after so long time, Lord gave us a very nice, beautiful baby, but baby not eating since she born. Also baby not open her eyes. Andhakonna, blind daughter. Yashoda came to see. With Yashoda, Krishna also there. Before she manifests to born and fulfill the desire of Krishna. Why I am telling so Krishna's desire? Because Krishna he has always affection towards devotee. One devotee, Sutapa, who appear in the form of Abhimanyu. So Sutapa in golden age, he meditated and begging Krishna to marry to his consort. Several times Krishna refused. But finally when he looked, then he says, okay. And looks dedication of Radharani. Radharani agreed, okay, I can do that, but with 2 conditions. One condition is, I will eat your remnant first. And I will see you first. If you are able to fulfill the 2 conditions, then I can do that. Therefore, you can see 1 year, 13 days before Radharani's appearance, Krishna appeared in Gokul, and Ravel is not so far from that. And there are also 2 bosom friends, Nanda Maharaj Yashoda and Vrishabhanu Maharaj Kirtida. That 2 bosom friends. So therefore, they are coming to see, oh, Vrishabhanu Maharaj got a daughter, very nice daughter. So they want to see. But Kirtida explained like this way. Look, as you know, she is not open her eyes since she appeared here. She is not eating at all. So Narottam Thakur explained like that. Says, the Lord give me that blind daughter, not eating. Therefore she was lamenting, Kirtida was lamenting. When Kirtida lamenting, and Yashoda also listening because they are bosom friend. Nanda Maharaj is listening. But Krishna wants to fulfill Radha's desire. So what to do? Mother give Krishna a tight manner to her arm. Because Krishna is naughty, mischievous, tight manner kept. Then Krishna look how to get out of the mother arms. He looked that mothers have one necklace made with mukto, means pearls, very valuable pearls. So he just rip it, and all the pearls on the floor. Then everybody busy to collect the pearls. And Krishna then get chance to go to see Radha. And this Karuna Amrita says that Radharani, Krishna touched Radharani's chest. Some Puran say Krishna kissed Radharani's cheek. whatever is at least. As soon as Krishna touched, she opened her eyes. She saw Krishna. And then Krishna, when everybody saw it, oh, has very bright eyes, open eyes. So happy then Krishna manifest. First time, I am hungry, please give me some food. Rather, Jashoda prepared some paneer, butter, whatever milk product prepared, and condensed milk prepared, very thick. So Jashoda gave Krishna that food. And Krishna eating that. Krishna eating happily. They want to tease Krishna in that way. This Radha not eating last 3 days anything. See, it's too much hungry. Give him. Krishna said, no. They are actually teasing. And finally, Krishna said, okay, if you are like to give her, says, one big piece of condensed milk. Keep on the top of his tongue. Krishna keeping top of your tongue and telling, give it to him. Give it to her. And then gave it, and then Radharani started to eat it. Like this. So in that way, so Prabhupada says, Krishna Sneho Abota Makhiya Pratham Purvanna Shaner Lilaya. Pratham means that born, then Pogonna means there's baby, then child, then in that way growing the Krishnas. And there is a Barshana, swing festival. Actually fast swing made by Vrishabhanu Maharaj in Barshana. Golden swing, Sarana swing festival. Then all the Sokis together, all the Sokis surrounding this village, Lalita Sokis, Muchanga, Shudevi Sokis, different Sokis have different village. They used to be together. They used to play together. There is there is a explanation like this. Jhola chal, jhola means swing. Jhola chal re. In that way, that's just chanting according to their language. So in that way, Krishna and Radha, this kiss, they kept together and swing festival. In that way. Then second song, Nivishtam Prema Vaichitra Vicha Sanet Jali Karanamaya after Pogon Lila Evam Pratham Koisha Karanam. Madham ba Madhamna Sanet Jal Tarun Namritama Bhakta Jauvan. Means full Bhakta Jauvan means like a teenage. And Tadupari Snan, third Snan, he said, Aparanna Snaner Jal Lavanna Mridava Purna Jauvan. Absolute youth. Purna Jauvan. Lavanna. Effulgent, absolute, Purna, absolute youth. Kaik Gunaj Boyash Rup Lavanna Uai Trivida Snan Jal. Kaik Gunaj. Kaik means bodies, gun means quality, bright, attractive, effulgent, youth, middle, youth, childhood, then youth, then absolute youth, all these, the three type of jauvan, three type of snan jal, bathing water. Basan divido, adhavasan, Adhovasan or uttariya vasan. Adavasan lajjaru. Adavasan means it is coming bottom. Adavasan. This is lajjaru, covering all the same. Was Samapatto, Nil, blue. Then anyway, this is already over 38. We can talk about this tomorrow because Radha Tattva is heavy. Too much explanation of Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Srila Prabhupada. So I will try to describe with my best ability. But again I am telling you, my first language is not Sanskrit, is not English, but I am trying my best way to describe the translation, whatever our Acharya Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Srila Prabhupada compose. So if I do any mistake, please excuse me, and if my explanation make you happy, please and at least bless me. I can do it better, best manner. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.